In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw parallel channel in Tradingview. Start by opening your charts so you are looking at the market and time frame you want to analyze. Give yourself a bit of screen space by zooming out just enough to see the recent swings. That makes choosing reference points much easier and keeps the tool accurate. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar. Click the second icon, the one that usually sits under trend lines, and select Parallel Channel. If the icon shows a different drawing tool, just click and hold to reveal the menu. Then choose Parallel Channel from the list. This tool lets you draw two perfectly parallel lines with a midpoint, which is ideal for visualizing a trend's path and boundaries. Now set the slope. Click once on a prominent swing point, either a clear low or a clear high, then move your cursor and click a second time on another significant swing in the same move to define the angle. Think of these two clicks as your anchors. They tell the channel which direction the trend is moving. In an uptrend, many traders anchor using two lows. In a downtrend, two highs often make sense. Pick obvious pivots so the channel naturally follows price. With the slope defined, set the width. Move your mouse away from the initial line to expand or contract the parallel boundary. You'll see a second line stay perfectly parallel as you slide the mouse. When the opposite side neatly contains the price swings touching or nearly touching multiple highs or lows, click a third time to lock the channel in place. Aim to capture the bulk of the action without forcing the lines to fit every extreme wick. The goal is a clean, balanced corridor that reflects how price has been traveling. Finally, adjust as needed. Click and drag the endpoints to extend the channel forward in time, or to fine-tune where it begins. You can also grab the central pivot or the body of the channel to nudge the whole structure up, down, left, or right. Without changing its slope, small tweaks can make a big difference. Align the bounds so they respect multiple touches. And check that the midpoint roughly runs through areas where price often pauses or bounces. If the market evolves, don't hesitate to revisit those endpoints and width so the channel stays relevant. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.